Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to tell you the top photo editing apps for Android. I'm going to suggest you the 3 top photo editing app. Just open your Play Store app and here you just have to search for the first app is Remini. Just search for it and then you just have to install this app. And the second one is Genius. You just have to search for it and then you just have to install this app. As you can see, I have already installed this. And the third app is PicsArt. You just have to search for it and you can install this app. These three are the top best photo editing apps on Android. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.